Hey everybody, today I'm working on a 12 by 16 canvas and I've got all my colors right here. The first one that I'm going to be using is phthalo green, and that's from Arteza. Then I've got this pretty color right here, and that is pearl copper gold, and that's also from Arteza. And then I've got phthalo blue from Arteza as well. And then I also have FolkArt white pearl, and I mixed my colors with Floetrol and water only, and then I added Golden GAC 800 because of the cracking issue that I seem to be having. And I haven't used the Arteza with the pearl white, I don't think yet, so I thought I would give it a try. So let me get my gloves on and I'll get started. Okay guys, so I went ahead and covered the canvas with the pearl white, and what I plan on doing today is a ring pour, but I think it's called a wandering ring pour. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift the end of my canvas and then do the ring pour where the canvas is lifted. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started, and I think I'll just start with a little bit of the pearl white in the bottom first. Then I'm going to go with the phthalo blue. And we'll do some this pretty copper gold. And then some green, phthalo green. Yeah, we'll do the rest of the copper. Then I'll put a little bit of white on top. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and move these out of the way. Alright, so now I'm just going to lift the end, and then I don't know, you might not be able to see because of my hand, but I'm just going to go ahead and start doing a tree ring pour. Alright, so I'm just going to let it run a little bit towards the end. Okay, and then once it gets to the end, alright, I'm just going to stop it. I might let it go, yeah, just over the end, just a touch. I'm going to run it back just a bit. Now I'm going to get my torch, and there's a ton of air bubbles. I don't know why. I made this stuff a couple days ago. I'm not really sure. Okay, so now I'm just gonna start moving it. I'm not really sure which direction. I kind of don't want to lose too much of that though, because that looks really cool through the middle there. Maybe I'll leave some negative space. I don't know. This actually looks really cool. I like this a lot. Run this way a bit. really want to lose too much of that light, but I gotta get it to the end. There we go. I'm gonna run that back just a touch. Wow, that looks really, really pretty. I'm going to go over it with my torch. Wow, I am loving how this looks, guys. Wow, this looks so cool. Okay guys, so it's been about half an hour and not a whole lot has changed. I got a few cells pop up, nothing major, but I love the defined lines, and I also got some cloud effect. I wasn't really expecting that, I guess, so I'm really happy about that, and I just think this painting has a lot of depth to it. I am really happy with how it looks so far, so I'm hoping that it dries nice, because my track record with the Arteza paints has not been too good. Alright, so I'll be back when it's dry. Okay guys, so here's the painting all dry. I'll take you in for a close-up. It dried amazing. Not one crack. So I really think that the Golden GAC 800 helps, and then I used the white pearl. That's really the only thing I changed. But look at the colors. I don't know if this video is just showing the depth of this painting. It's gorgeous. I got such nice defined lines. I got some of the cloud effect. Oh my gosh, I am super happy with this painting. I just can't, oh my gosh, look at those colors. Look at that, it's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, and I'm so happy that I got a successful painting with the Arteza paints. Alright, persistence pays off. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.